Is your organization looking to build a developer ecosystem around your products but aren't sure how to get started? Perhaps you've already started but realize that doing it in-house is a much larger endeavor than you ever imagined. AppDirect can help. AppMarket Ecosystem Edition unlocks the value of selling your own products alongside complementary third-party applications through an intuitive, easy-to-use marketplace. Let's walk through 3 user journeys. We'll go through what your end customers would see, how your partners will onboard your ecosystem, and finally what your view would look like as the marketplace owner. Let's start with what your customers would see. Say your customer is an IT manager, Isaac, and he works at Acme Enterprise. He's looking for a learning management system to complement his initial Origo software purchase. Our marketplace delivers your own branded storefront for customers to browse and learn more about the different vendors that you've selected to offer, and then ultimately buy the products they want. We provide a rich array of merchandising options such as an app carousel, product categories, and featured apps. Product discovery is at the heart of the marketplace's front page, so Isaac's view here enables him to easily browse through all of this, as well as search for the products he needs. If Isaac wants to learn more about a specific product, he can click on the profile, he can read an overview, take a look at the features, read the reviews, ask questions about the product, and see pricing information. AppDirect provides all of the information necessary to help Isaac determine which product to buy. He decides to buy Meta Learning, and he's pulled into an intuitive checkout flow. He's already selected the recurring edition. He'll then select the number of instances he needs, and the total price will update accordingly. He'll then continue to the billing page. We integrate with a number of different payment gateways out of the box for credit card payments. We can include multiple options here, including placing charges on an existing invoice. Upon purchase, our core billing system takes care of all of the invoicing and payments for Isaac. This provides the end user with an easy and quick step-by-step process. On the confirmation page, he can confirm his billing details, the edition selected, the number of subscriptions, and the monthly recurring fee. He'll agree to the terms of service for both the marketplace and for the vendor and place order. We just went through a simple 3-step buy flow from the end customer's perspective, but one of the major benefits of the AppDirect platform is not just the purchase and billing, but the instant provisioning of applications. Each customer, in this case Isaac, is provided with a custom application portal that includes all applications they've purchased from you or other third-party vendors. In this case, Meta Learning Management was just added to this page. He can assign users in his company or start using the application immediately. AppDirect is unique in the market in that we provide a full e-commerce marketplace, billing and invoicing, provisioning, and a full developer portal for ISVs to integrate to your ecosystem. Now let's explore the developer experience. We'll log in as Debbie the developer. This Developer Center makes it easy to enable partners like Debbie to onboard themselves to your ecosystem, and it's where she'll manage content, versioning, and integrations. From here, she can create and modify her profiles. Creating a profile is very simple. Here, she'll input the product name and complete details on type and more. In the product profile, she can add listing info. This is information that customers would see on the main page of the marketplace. She can also see product overview information, and this is where she'll include demo videos, detailed product info, and additional resources. This is all the information that we just went through from the end customer's point of view. She can preview what the profile would look like at any time. Next, she would set up the editions and pricing, where she can create her pricing plans. You can name an edition, add a contract, select the revenue model, charge at a flat rate price per unit, include a setup fee, and include any other items that you wish. Next, she'll set up the provisioning integration. She can configure her notification URLs for subscription create, change, cancel, and status, as well as user assignment and unassignment. All of these are secure with OAuth 2.0. Next, she'll test the integration in the integration report section. Once complete, submit her product for publication, which will ultimately be you, the marketplace manager. Once approved, your partners can modify their profiles at any time and submit for republication. Additionally, they can see any leads customers have submitted here as well. Finally, Debbie will have full visibility into how much she's sold. We'll go back to the dashboard and head into the reconciliation section. Here, she can see her product success, thus not needing to reach out to you, the software vendor, to get this information. Finally, let's take a look at what this looks like from your perspective as the marketplace owner. Let's say in this case you are Mike Riley. Once you log in, you'll head to the marketplace dashboard. You'll see here the request for publication from Debbie the developer from Meta Learning. You can review the product profile and provide feedback all within the platform. Here, you'll also get an overview of users and companies on your marketplace, which provides details on who they are and their activity. This data can be used to make informed decisions around your ecosystem and determine what applications are driving interest. You'll also find details on orders, invoices, payments, quotes, and reconciliation. Without AppDirect, reconciliation is typically a very cumbersome and manual process. As you can see, AppDirect simplifies and automates this process, including vendor payouts. The marketplace is also completely customizable. You can design your storefront to include your logo, brand colors, and more to ensure that your customers have a consistent, recognizable experience. Additionally, you can choose the placement of where products will live on your marketplace depending on specific promotions. You can also create categories, which is key to create an easy-to-navigate marketplace. These are all the merchandising options we were showing you earlier from the end user's perspective. Let's jump into the product management section now. Here you can create and add solutions. You can add your own product or assist your ISV partner in building out their product, though your partners will be enabled to create their own products, just like Debbie the developer. Now let's jump into your settings. Here you'll be able to create customer notifications depending on how and what you want to communicate to your customers. Additionally, you'll have the flexibility to create custom attributes specific to your needs to collect additional data on your customers. The final crucial and powerful part of your settings is the ability to create webhooks. This allows your marketplace to communicate with existing systems that you might already have in place, such as a CRM. Customers prefer going through a single platform to help them through their cloud service journey and the software they need to run their business. Having the flexibility to sell your own product as well as any third-party apps will create a huge competitive advantage for you and will lead to improved partner relationships, reduced time to market, happier customers, and scale. With our Ecosystem Edition of AppMarket, you can extend the value of your core solutions and accelerate innovation with a commerce-enabled developer ecosystem. As the only provider that can onboard third-party developers to be sold through third-party channels, AppDirect enables you to provide an ecosystem to your customers.